Getting to know your CustomCat design library. Welcome to our tutorial on using the CustomCat design library. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of uploading, managing, and organizing your artwork within the design library. Whether you're adding your first design or looking to streamline your design workflow, this tutorial will show you how to make the most of the tools available to keep your creative assets organized and ready for use across your connected stores. Let's dive in. To access the design library, simply click on Design Library in the left navigation menu. The CustomCat design library is where you can store all the artwork you upload to your account. Once your designs are here, you can easily use them across any of your connected stores and apply them to a wide range of products in our catalog. From the Design Library page, you can click Upload Design to open the uploader and begin adding your artwork. When uploading designs, CustomCat accepts a variety of file types, including PNG, JPG, AI, EPS, SVG, and PDF. However, we highly recommend using PNG files for the best results. To upload your files, just click Add Designs and select the files you want to upload. You can upload up to 250 files at once, making it easy to quickly get your designs into your library. Once you've selected your files, they will appear listed below. You'll also have the option to add tags to your designs in bulk, which is helpful for organizing your library. You can do this by using the Tag All function and entering your desired tags. Additionally, you can adjust trim options by choosing whether to use the exact artwork dimensions or trim any excess transparent space. If you want to apply settings to all your designs at once, you can click Select All. Once you're ready, click Start Upload in the top right corner. Keep an eye on the progress bar as your designs upload, and make sure to stay on this page until the process is complete. After the upload finishes, you'll be automatically returned to your design library, where you'll see your newly uploaded designs listed and ready to use. Managing your designs is simple. Hover over any design file to edit it individually, or select multiple files to perform bulk actions, like deleting or tagging them. To edit a design, just click Edit. Here you can update the design's name, add tags for easier searching, or change the background display color to make it stand out more in your library. Once you've made your changes, click Confirm to save them and return to your design library. Now that your designs are uploaded and organized, you can easily apply them to products anytime you log into your account. In the next tutorial, we'll walk you through how to build and export a product using the designs you've uploaded. For more tutorials, FAQs, and helpful tips, visit CustomCat.com.